Good morning and happy Monday and welcome back to Mrs. Achari's Kindergarten Cabin. Today's math lesson is going to be our final lesson on ways to make 10. So today what we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing an activity, and the activity that we'll be doing is going to be an activity that's going to help us answer this question. A question kindergartners need to be able to answer by the end of kindergarten is, how many more do I need to make 10? So today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be thinking about how many more do I need to make 10, and we're going to do this by participating in a little activity. So you should have your 10 frame that you made last week. I have mine up here on the board, and then you'll want to have some objects, okay? So you can use just one baggie of objects from your math toolbox. I'm going to be using some butterflies and some turtles on my end today, but you can choose whatever you want from your math box. It can be cars or Legos or pennies, whatever you would like to use, okay? So why don't you go ahead and grab that stuff and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so today's activity is going to be an activity that we're going to use to think about ways to make 10. And our number sentence that we'll be using today is going to have a missing number. Okay, so it's going to be a number plus a number equals 10. So every time it's going to equal 10, and I'm going to show you how you can use your 10 frame to figure out how many more you need to make 10, and we're going to be playing a little game. So in my bowl I have a bunch of numbers on cards. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a card, and that's going to be the number that we start with. And then we're going to think about how many more we need to make 10 after we have that number. So let me just show you one to get started, okay? So I have, this one's good. I have the number 10, okay? So that's the number that I'm starting with. I'm starting with the number 10. So I'm going to use 10 butterflies. I'm going to count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's my 10 butterflies. So how many more butterflies do I need to make 10? Well, as you guys know, when the 10 frame is full, we have 10. So if you look at the 10 frame already, can I fit any more in there? No, I can't. So we know that 10 plus 0 equals 10. So if we have 10, we need 0 more to make 10. Okay, so that's our first one. I can't believe we started with 10. That's funny. All right, so let's go ahead and take all of our butterflies out. And whatever you're using, you can take out of your 10 frame. Okay, so we'll try another one, and we're going to erase our numbers in our number sentence except for the one that's at the end, because we know we're equaling 10. So I'm going to erase my 10 and I'm going to erase my 0. Okay, so let's try another one. 7. Okay, so if I have 7 things, how many more would I need to make 10? So let's do 7 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 7 turtles. I'm going to take a look at my 10 frame now. I've counted out 7 turtles. How many spaces do I have left? Oh, I have 3 spaces left. So that tells me that I need 3 more to make 10. So I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's count them to make sure. It's a 10 frame, so we know there's 10, but we'll just count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 and 3 is 10. So if you have 7, then you need 3 more to make 10. All right, let's try another one. We're gonna do a couple more together, and then I'm gonna let you try some more on your own at home. So let's take the turtles out. Oh, right, I gotta grab a couple that I dropped on the floor real quick. Okay, so here we go. Let's get rid of 7 and 3 in our addition sentence. All right, so we're still making 10, so we're just gonna leave 10 right here, okay? So now, let's pick another number. 9. Okay, so if I have 9 butterflies, how many more do I need to make 10? I'm going to put 9 in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 9 butterflies in my 10 frame, and I want to know how many more do I need to make 10. So if I have 9 and I look at my 10 frame, I can see that I have 1 more spot open to fit a butterfly. So that means that I need 1 more to make 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Good work. Okay. We're gonna do a couple more, but I'm going to let you take a quick brain break. I'd like for you to get up out of your seat, and I want you to go around your house, and I want you to find and count 10 things that are blue. Oh my gosh, this might take you a while, but go count 10 things that are blue and then come back. All right, I hope you found your 10 things that are blue. We're gonna continue on. I hope you got moved around a little bit and ready to keep on going. Okay, so to repeat what we're doing, we are thinking about the question, how many more do I need to make 10? Okay, so we're going to pick out another number out of our bowl. Oh, that's the number 5. Skinny body, belly fat. Number 5 wears a hat. Okay, let's count out 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the number that we are starting with. So we have 5 plus equals 10. We're trying to find this missing number. So the missing number is, let's count how many spaces we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 more to make 10. So if you start out with 5, then you'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to make 10. So 5 and 5 more equals 10. You guys are getting so good at this. And I will tell you that our 10 frame is the best tool to use for this, because we know that when it's full, we have 10. So it really helps us see how many more we need to make 10. All right, let's get rid of these butterflies, put them back where they belong. And oops, oh my goodness, these poor butterflies just keep falling. All right, let me erase my numbers in my number sentence. We'll do 2 more together, and then you can continue on at home with finishing with the ones that we did not do, okay? So the next number that we are going to be thinking about is, let me find one, the number 6. Okay, so if I have 6 turtles, how many more will I need to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 turtles, so that's the number that I'm starting with. And as I'm looking at my 10 frame, I can see that I have some open spaces. If I fill those up, it will equal 10. So how many more do I need to make 10? 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 10. So if I have 6 things, I would need 4 more to make 10. Let's try it. So we have 6, we'll count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you guys are so good at this. Okay, so let's put our turtles away, put them back on the beach, and we will do our next one. All right, so we're gonna do one more together, and then I'll have you try some at home, okay? So our last one that we'll be doing together today is 1. Okay, so here's what I want you to be thinking. If I have one thing, how many more do I need to make 10? So the number we know is 1. So I'm going to put 1 butterfly in the 10 frame, and then I'm going to count all the empty spaces to figure out how many more I need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 more to make 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So I had 1, and then I added 9 more, so I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, kiddos, so I'm going to leave you now, and I have some other cards here, and I'm going to, at the end of the video, you're going to be able to see these cards, and I want you to practice this work at home. So this is the numbers on the cards are the number that you're starting with. So that's what you'll start with in your 10 frame, and then you will see how many more you need to make 10, okay? So I hope that you enjoyed this super hard work that we did today. And remember that kindergartners should be able to answer the question, how many more do I need to make 10? All right, so the next numbers will be coming, and I hope you enjoy doing this work at home. Have a great day.